I got rooster. I loaded some 9mm hollow points. They're Hornady's. He's going to be shooting the 3 cans of 9 lives. I think you did better on the first shot.
Should have recorded that one.
Should have recorded which one? The hit?
Yeah, the first shot.
The direct hit.
Hit it and it did good.
Well, you swing and miss. I mean, turn that one sideways. See if you can hit it. I want to say a point blank.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't think you'd do it.
Put it to the forehead.
Did you get any cat on you?
I did. Spider. There you go. Pop somebody close, it doesn't all go back. It comes at you.
It's on your face too.
I know.
On your chin.
And my sunglasses.
And your shirt.
And my shirt. And I have to ride home in my truck. There you go, kids. Don't try that at home.